All right, my sweet peeps, this is your kiss for today. Keep it simple, spirituality. We're keeping it simple today. We are taking our fingers, our thumbs, the tips, and the heels of our hands together. We're going to take an inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and push your palms together. So it's inside of those fingers. Inhale, hold the ball gently. Exhale and push the palms toward each other. We're really opening up here with the hands. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale and push. Inhale, hold the ball, relax the fingers. Exhale and push. One more time, in through the nose. Hold that ball, exhale, open those fingers and push. Yes, we're bringing breath into your day, opening our awareness to be more conscious, to be more energized through the heart center. Working through the hands and the arms connects us to our chest, which is where our heart chakra is located in our physical vessel. That was your kiss for today. I'll see you next time.